guys, welcome and welcome back. It's your girl Ethel, and if it's your first time here, kindly consider subscribing, like, comment and share. Now according to the title, I know that you are wondering what's Suji Power. Worry less, I've got you. So let me show you ingredients of the day. We have this, a very huge one. This is cassava, mhogo. Then here our arrowroots. We have these brown nuts, 1 packet of milk, and lastly we have sugar. You can choose to use honey, but I will use sugar. So let's get into our video. So these are already roasted groundnuts. I prefer using roasted ones. So now we will start by peeling off our arrowroots. So after finishing peeling our cassavas, I will then chop them into fine cubes, into small cubes. Transfer them to a tin. I will add some water here. So Now I'll start working on this. I will go through the skin. Hey, this knife is not that strong. When cutting this, at least have a strong knife, because you see it's a little bit huge. So I will go through the skin to remove the top part. I'm going to add a little one, and the rest I will leave it. So when growing up, we were told that you're not supposed to eat this. I don't know if it's true. This one. So I'm going to peel it off. And then cut it to cubes also. So now I'm going to wash this until the water runs clear, because it's not that, it's kind of milkish. So I will wash it. I will wash this 3 to 4 times. So now we will add this here. Add enough water till all are submerged. Like so. So we will cover and wait for this to cook till they are soft or till they are tender. So our arrowroots and cassava has been boiling for the past 15 minutes. So now let's check if they are tender. And I'm going to use my fork. As you can see, they are all tender. So now I will drain the excess water and blend this mixture. So here. So now let's transfer our already cooked ingredients to our blender. Then I will add the groundnuts. I know it's full to the brim. From there we'll add our milk. Like so. So from there, let's blend our mixture. After blending everything, this is how your mixture should look. And my friends, this one requires a very strong blender, because it can really mess up someone's blender. So we will now go ahead and cook this for roughly 10 minutes. I'm just going to use the same sufuria that I used to boil the rest, the cassava and the arrowroots. So I will now go in with the mixture. So we will keep on stirring, but if you see that the mixture is really thick, you add milk, don't add water. So like this is very thick, so I'm going to add some milk. Like so. Then I will keep on stirring. Now I will go in with sugar. I'm not going to add much. Just 4 spoons are enough. So under low heat, I will let this cook for 10 minutes. Moto. Pole. Iko tamu?